So we got Summit hot air balloon rides, limited time offer, limited to right now.
Should we go help them?
I don't know.
Oh no, they're all pushing and I'm just recording them. Wait, no, seriously. Let's go ask if they need help. Poor guys. We pulled over here just to watch them struggle. That's so cool though. But anyways, back to work. Well, that was a really fun start to the vlog.
Yeah, Summit hot air balloon rides are now over. Sorry, you guys missed it.
Limited time only. But anyways, good morning you guys. It's bright and early. It's a nice 8:46 in the morning. And we're starting early today because we got a stacked day of detailing. We've got some pretty cool cars and we were like, what better way to spend the day than vlogging as well. So you guys get to come along with us and check out some pretty cool cars that we get to clean. Disclaimer, we know we're not detailing them. We're just doing a maintenance wash and quick vacuum on the inside because we do these cars pretty much every week. Let's head to our first appointment. Okay, here is our first car of the day. Pretty excited. We're gonna pull this out and get to washing.
You gonna pull it out?
Yeah.
All right.
All right, good morning, Utah.
Okay, what do you like more? This blue with the metallic, or do you like the Verde Shock?
Verde Shock.
Verde Shock, okay.
Sorry.
Okay, that appointment was awesome. I love that blue Aventador so much. So we started off the day with the Aventador, and I think we're gonna end the day with an Aventador.
It's a surprise.
Oh, okay, and then sandwiched in between, we have a bunch of Ferraris, which is where we're headed now.
Yeah. Ooh, and this guy also has a 430 that we like to check out every time we're here. So.
Okay, so here we are at my next client's garage. So we're gonna be washing that G-Wagon first. That's one of his daily drivers. But here is his F430 Spider that we absolutely love to check out, admire, and then we pick the client's brain kind of on 430 ownership because that might be a possibility for us in the future. Anyways, we've got two more Ferraris right here, including probably the coolest one in Park City, probably. So we have a 575M. So this is the client's favorite Ferrari of all time, he says. And then we have the 488 Pista up there with about 50 miles on it. It's brand spanking new Pista. So unfortunately, we won't be washing the Pista today because he's never driven it. So it's not dirty at all. But we may have the Pista, actually we are gonna have the Pista in our shop for some paint protection film here in about a month. So we'll give you guys some close-up footage of that.
All right, let's pull out the G-Wagon.
So it's almost the middle of the day, so we have to kind of tuck the G-Wagon in here in the shade. That way we can get the best results.
So the way Clayton and I work when we detail together is usually he'll wash one car while I do the interior of another car. That way we're kind of making the most of our time. So like one person isn't standing around while another person is washing. So I'm gonna quickly go through the inside of the 430 while Clayton washes the G-Wagon. And this client keeps it pretty clean, but we're still gonna go over it a little bit. So another cool thing about these cars is Clayton actually did full paint protection film over the whole bodies. So it's kind of nice to detail them because then we can check up on all the panels, make sure they're doing pretty good. So far, they look They look in awesome shape. What do you think? Can you see me in one of these?
Maybe.
Maybe. Well, you just saw me in one, so.
Okay, if you guys didn't know, the 355s, the 360s, and the F430 Spyders, the tops are not the most reliable convertible tops in the world. So unfortunately, this F430 Spyder is kind of stuck and locked in convertible mode, which makes detailing the car very, very, very tricky. So what we're gonna have to do is actually power wash the front end because there's so many bugs, and then we'll pretty much just wash the rest with just buckets and like the hose. That way we don't get any water on the inside.
I don't know about you guys, but like, this is my type of day of detailing. Just hanging out with 3 Ferraris, one's a Pista. We got the life.
Yeah, it could be a lot worse. Check this out. So the e-brake is on the left side, just like the Mercies. So you lift it up, put the e-brake on, and then it drops back down so you can get out.
Oh, that's so sweet. All right, that finishes up the 3 details we had here. Now we have to go do one of this client's other cars, but it's at a different location. So we are going to head there next. But yeah, we love coming here. It's such a blast cleaning these cars because, you know, it's not like you get to see these every day. So they're all clean for the client and we are going to head to his next car. It's really hot out, so gotta stay hydrated, right?
Yep.
OGs of James's channel will recognize where we are.
Yeah, this is where Summit Auto Labs started, is down in this garage. This is pretty cool. So the client we just came from, they have parking spots down here as well, so we're gonna detail the last car right here.
Just like with every other car, we're gonna do a cold start. That's nice. Okay, we're at our last house. Thank goodness, because I'm getting pretty tired. But we saved what I think is the best for last, because this is one of my favorite specs of a car. And here it is. That shouldn't take us too long now, should it?
It is pretty messy on the inside.
Yeah. I'm kidding, the client is on his way back with the actual car. So we're just sitting tight and waiting for him. Grabbing some fresh air, but stay tuned for what it actually is. Also, this client has a 750iX. So like the top of the top line of the 7 Series, and I'm kind of in love with it. I have to say, that's a pretty good drawing of Patrick. We've got SpongeBob over here. Anyways, here's the next car. This is probably one of my favorite specs of the Aventador. I think it's just so cool. I mean, how can you not like it? I guess I'm stuck to this forever.
Your hair for you?
No. Ow. Oh, still stuck.
Okay, problem solved. Back to drying. Okay, if you guys ever find yourself detailing an Aventador S Roadster or an Aventador Roadster, okay, if you guys ever find yourself detailing an Aventador,
Take 3.
Okay, if you guys ever find yourself detailing an Aventador Roadster, you need to clean like this part of the roof, but underneath the roof panels. So to remove these roof panels, yes, these can be removed. You reach right over the seat, you lean the seat forward, and then you grab these handles, flip this up, like that, flip up the red, just like that. Boom, one-handed.
All right, I'm in the Tesla, I gotta back it up, but I've never been in one, so give me a second. Okay, so it's on, okay. Okay, let's back up. Okay, so far so good, I'm doing it. Wow, this is nice. Okay, so that's enough room for him. What do you guys think of the Teslas? I really want one. A little expensive though, but maybe in the future, because this is what I'm talking about. I don't know, this panoramic roof is really what's doing it for me. Are you exhausted?
Absolutely.
We're both really sweaty, so
Oh, you're filming. I didn't know you were filming.
we're gonna head back to the shop and die. Jinx!
So come give me kisses. Come give me kisses. Oh, hello.
What? You're so excited. Anyways, so we are back here at the shop. We are exhausted, but luckily we worked so hard today that I think we deserve some steak. So I'm gonna go make some steak while Clayton gets started on wrapping this car because you know, work never stops here.
Dude, I still got like 4 or 5 more hours of work.
Don't worry.
And we've already put in I mean, today was like 10 hours?
Yeah, 10-hour day. We're working hard for you guys, but I think that's pretty much the end of the video today.
Oh, guys, stay tuned for some Cayman updates. We finally got some parts in, so I think that's gonna be the next video, is me unveiling my whole Cayman build. So please stay tuned for that.
Yeah, that'll be the next video, and we'll see you there.